foreigner, and can you introduce yourself first?
I'm Adeline. Hi.
Here I will give you topic about how do animals sound in your country.
Okay.
And then next I will show you animal sound in my country too. And then and then how cat sounds in your country?
Meow.
Yes, it's same with my country, meow too. And then dog how?
Woof woof.
Oh, but if here is cook cook, right?
Oh really?
Yeah, cook cook.
Ah. I'm gonna start saying that. Cook
Yeah,
cook. Like that.
cook.
Oh.
And then horse, how is horse?
Nay.
Me. I'm so sorry, my topic is so what's that?
I like it.
And then how is sheep?
Ba. Ba.
And then pig. And then if my I think my animal sounds in my country it's what's that? Almost same in your country, right? And then how if cow?
Moo.
Moo. And then tiger?
Rawr. Oh, I don't know. Rawr? Oh, is that what the tiger does? Rawr. Rawr.
And then how if chicken?
Rawr, quack, quack, quack.
And how if monkey? Do you like what's the animals? Have you what's the like pet? Pet?
Pet?
Yeah.
Not a monkey. Oh, any of these?
Yeah.
I've had a cat, dog, horse, sheep,
Wow.
cow, none of the others. Oh, duck. I had a chicken.
You have tiger too.
Yeah.
And
No.
how is that? And then duck. How is?
Quack, quack.
Why you always like animals?
What do I like
Yeah.
animals? I don't know. They fun. They're something to play with. I like dogs the best. I love dogs. Yeah.
How many?
I don't have any at the moment, but I grew up. My family had two when I was growing up.
And then what's that? Do you like what's it? Oh yeah. Do you wanna? I don't know. But miss, I'm so confused. I'm so nervous.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because we never talking with foreign, only talking with my friends, and then we must improve our speaking, right?
You're doing
And
great.
then- Thank you. And then maybe that's all. And then you what opinion about? Can you give opinion about this country?
This country. As I think I said it to you guys before, but I really love it because everyone's so friendly and it's very laid back and you can kind of just get everywhere quite easily. And yeah, that's the main thing. I love the friendliness. It's really welcoming.
And then how many? Do you have been here? How many times?
It's the first time.
Oh, the first time.
Yeah.
And then you directly come to Bali?
Yes, I'd like to come back and go to other places, and not Bali. But this time it was just a quick trip, so we just came here. Yeah, it was nice and cheap to get here.
And so you wanna go to Yogyakarta?
Yeah, I'd like to try anywhere else. I haven't really thought yet, but next trip somewhere else, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you very much
Thank
for your
you.
time.
Thanks.
And bye. I must look for a foreigner and then to chat with him. And then can you help me? Oh. Sorry. I must chat with a foreigner here. And
We
then,
are better than easy.
and
Yes.
then I will ask some topic. This is my topic is how do animals sound in your country?
Okay.
Animals sound in your country, yeah. And then before that, can you introduce yourself first?
Yes, my name is Martin,
Martin.
and Martin and Anne Charlotte.
I'm Charlotte.
Yeah.
We
nice to meet
come from Belgium, but we live in Switzerland.
Oh, okay. And then,
Martin and Charlotte.
and then, can you, yeah,
Yes,
how the animal son is your country, and then how is that your
I like it because then it's gonna be filmed and they're gonna see us doing.
Wow, it's so funny,
How
right?
do animals sound in your country? I don't think I
So
understand
the
the
sound,
question.
the sound they make, or how is it written? It's a cat is a chat. A chat.
In our language, or like I don't really.
Or
yeah,
the
I don't
sound,
really- or
the sound of it, or the name of the animal.
Oh no, the sound is this is a cat. How is cat sounds like that? Oh,
Like meow.
yeah.
Or a chat.
A chat.
Un chat.
Oh, chat or meow.
Okay, it's un chat.
Oh, chat. And then how if a dog in your country the sound?
So in our country, we are from the French part. So in Switzerland, we speak 3 languages: German, French, Italian, and a weird French. So it's actually 4. But so we speak French.
And then it's up to you. You can choose what sound is you like.
Okay.
So
A dog is
no, a cat is ein Hatze, eine Katze oder un chat.
a chat.
It's in German eine Katze, ou en français, in French,
Un chat.
un chat.
A dog is
Ein Hund
Hund.
in Deutsch, in German.
and in French, un chien.
Chat.
Et ils font woof woof.
I like it.
And then if my country dog is cook right?
Cuckoo gra-
Yeah. Cook.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Yeah.
Cuckoo in
Okay.
French is hello.
Yes.
And then how is
A
horse?
horse. No. A horse is a
Un cheval.
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 Yes. A sheep.
And in German,
Oh, I have no idea how. I don't remember.
a sheep.
A sheep.
Bleh.
Bleh.
It's same with
It's-
Indonesia bear too.
Yeah. And
it's un mouton.
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 Mouton. And how is pig?
Okay.
I like it,
Un
hein?
cochon.
Un cochon ou or un porc.
Un porc.
Yes.
And then how is cow?
A cow.
A cow is une vache.
Did well, huh?
Alright.
A tiger. A
Tiger.
tiger.
Let's talk seriously. We don't have tigers in
Held
Switzerland.
it for me. It's
No.
the eye of the tiger, is the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stoke his prey in the night, and he's watching your soul with the eye of the tiger.
He loves to sing
Bam!
karaoke, so
Yeah.
don't start with this.
So a
So we don't
tiger.
have a tiger in Switzerland, nor in Belgium. We don't. But do you here in Asia still have wild tiger?
Yes.
We have been looking to see a wild tiger, but it seems like it's not possible anymore. Except in zoo. but
West
in
Kalimantan.
Zoo is zoo.
Kalimantan.
Kalimantan is there are many tiger in there.
Tiger in Kalimantan?
Kalimantan.
But is it a zoo or is it like
Yeah.
nature, like a sanctuary or a national park?
Yes.
National Park
Oh, it's a national park.
Where is it?
in West Kalimantan.
Yeah, but
It's in Indonesia?
Yes, is it Indonesia but another island?
Okay, in another island. Okay,
okay, good to know.
we have to
So
Google it.
a tiger is un tigre in French.
And how is the chicken?
A chicken.
Sorry.
A chicken is un poulet, une poule, un coq.
Yeah,
Many different
une
names.
poule.
Une poule.
And in Indonesia it's like that.
Okay, good to know.
Okay. A monkey. We don't have monkeys.
Oh,
Good, huh?
We don't have monkeys in Switzerland and
Yeah.
Belgium. Well, in zoo once again, but not in
yeah.
nature.
A
monkey
monkey is
would be un
un
singe.
singe.
sure.
Singe.
If monkey here is same like that. I'm so sorry. And how is the duck?
A duck.
The duck is so it's the Daffy Duck. So a duck is un canard.
Un canard. Il fait coin coin.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah. I think sounds, animal sound is almost same right here in another country and Indonesia in another. Yeah.
Okay.
And then how long have been here? How long?
Well, we have been here for 10 days, roughly 10 days in Indonesia. We arrived in Bali 2 days ago, and we're gonna spend, let's say, 2 weeks.
Week and a half, 2 weeks.
Yeah, around 2 weeks in Bali.
So we landed in Jakarta, Java, no, Bali, and then we go to Lombok.
Oh, okay. Oh, after this you go to Lombok.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in total 3 weeks.
3 weeks in Indonesia.
Then you don't want go to Yogyakarta maybe?
We have been in Yogyakarta
Yes.
already. Yeah, we
We took
spent
the train
2 nights.
from Jakarta, Yogyakarta, then Bromo, Ijen,
Wow, you backpacker.
Yeah.
And thank you for your time, sir. See
You're
you.
welcome.
And say
And
hello.
pay attention to the environment, alright?
Yes. Protect those animals.
Yes.
Nature.
Eddie, have a good day.
All for my video. And then a lot of foreigner here is so friendly, and then we can get a good scenery here. And then maybe this is the last video for my assignment, but maybe I continue my content in another topic. And see you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and share. And see you later.
너도 알고 있잖아 느껴지는 걸 숨기려고 해서 내게